Friendship is a circle that grows wider every day, like the ripples spreading on a pond. Throw a pebble in the water, see the circles grow. Day by day the heart becomes more fond. When the rain is falling, see the circles that it makes. Who knows where one starts or where it ends? Little waves that intermingle, kiss and then move on. That's the way it flows when you have friends. Open arms, always full of welcome. Open eyes to look out for you. Open minds, eager to believe you. Wide and wider though it grows. Friendship is a circle that never will close. If you're not so lucky and you haven't got a friend, maybe you've made circles all alone. Castle walls are made to last and keep the world away, but the heart must never be of stone. If you've built a wall around you, try to break it down. Friends begin with fear and doubting end. Like the ripples spreading, if you open up your life, soon you'll feel the handshake of a friend.